Hello everybody and welcome. So today I was going to be filming that and that computer, but Windows updates take forever, so I'm going to go ahead and just film this plain white box. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. Bubble wrap. Come on. Oh, my goodness, that's heavy. Hold on. Okay, so here we have an interesting looking power strip thing. So, nice thick gauge wire. Can't see the wire gauge. That makes me want to use this. The product name is HolyFire, registered. Alright, that's not the greatest. And it is a 12 plug power strip along with 9 USB plugs. So, great for a server closet. That is what I'm thinking. So you can take these, put them in your server closet, and whatever servers use USB power, you got plenty. And whatever uses regular 120 volt, you've got plenty. So, the instructions say it can be a 1, 2, 3, or 4 tall. So I've got a 3. I'm kind of curious if they sell additional, things or not. But let me find, oh, there's the specs. There we go. HolyFire multifunction power strip. So we have an 1800 watt rating, fireproof PC ABS plastic, overload reaction 1 nanosecond, surge protection 3500 joules, USB 5 volt, 9 USB, 2.4 amp max, totaling 8 amp at 5 volt. Nice. 12 US standard sockets, 9 ports, an 8-foot power cord. Yeah, pretty damn big. And it is 2.5 pounds, which I was quite surprised by. But yeah, let me see about opening this up, and we shall take a look inside of it. Okay, so here is a quick look at the inside. We got a reset switch for when there is a surge. Power in on this board, and then it goes over to this power supply. We have a main on-off switch, which cuts off that's the power that live power comes in through this, and then it goes to this board. We got some fiberglass wire covers, which are really nice to see. Yeah, all in all, really nice looking. We got some mauves over here, metal oxide varistas, and we have a power supply. So I'm going to look at this power supply. I'll get it pulled out here. Says it is a 40 watt 5 volt, what it looks like, 40W 5V. So let me take out the screws and see if I can turn it over so we can see what it looks like. I want to add real fast that the bottom cap uses tri-wing, crappy tri-wing screws. I have a tri-wing adapter right here, but I just used a standard straight edge screwdriver head because it works a hell of a lot better than my tri-wing did. Anyways, back to getting this open. Okay, so here is the power supply, and it is really nice. We have 2 heat sinks. We got 3-pin something or others. MOSFETs, I would guess. Nice, beefy 400 volt, 82 microfarad capacitor. Really nice looking, I can't think of the word, with some beefy looking wires coming out of that. Or at least multiple wires, I should say. So definitely a nice looking power supply. I see a bridge rectifier over here. And tons of slastic. We got some 2 mauves, it looks like. Definitely a nice looking power supply. I definitely don't mind this. This doesn't look like it scares me. But as you can see, let's look up the clacker here. So there's what it looks like on the inside. I can't figure out how to get the top pieces off, so sorry, this is all we got. But I did want to show the amperage capable on this. So I'm going to go ahead and crank. Oh, wait, that's the fine adjustment. Crank. Holy shit. So this said it could do 2.4 amp. And let's go ahead and go until it stops. Oh, Jesus, there's 3 amp. So we've actually reached the limit on this Drock device at 3.76 amps at 5 volts. We are using 18, I might as well say 19 watts. And it still can put out more. So that is really awesome. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, hit that like button. If you dislike the video, you know what to do. Hit that like button anyways. This will definitely be getting implemented in my server area right here. And should rectify some wiring issues I have. So thank you very much for watching, and as always, you'll see me in the next video, and I'll try and remember to put the Amazon link below. Bye!